Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself, Deepika, is student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Computer Science Engineering, first semester Audi section. Today in this video, I will be discussing about the subject called Applied Physics, particularly about the topic called Applications of Optical Fibers in the field of telecommunication and celestial bodies. Today in this video, I will be discussing about introduction, applications of optical fibers in telecommunication, uses of optical fibers in telecommunication, applications of optical fiber in celestial bodies, and the uses of optical fibers in celestial bodies, and finally the conclusion. Before going to our main topic, let me discuss about optical fiber. An optical fiber is a cylindrical dielectric waveguide or non-conducting waveguide that transmits a light along its axis through the process of total internal reflection. The optical fiber typically include a core surrounded by the transparent cladding materials with a lower index of refraction. The fiber that support many propagation paths or a transfer modes are called multi-mode fibers, while those that supports a single mode are called single mode fibers. And optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Now let's discuss about applications of optical fibers in telecommunication. Optical fibers in telecommunication offering a numerous advantages over a traditional copper cables. This presentation explores the extensive applications of optical fiber in modern telecommunication. An optical fiber used by many telecommunication companies to transmit the telephone signals, internet communication, and cable television signals. Researchers at Bell Labs have recorded a bandwidth distance product of over 100 petabytes kilometer per second using the fiber optical communication. Coming to our next point, let me discuss about high bandwidth. High bandwidth in telecommunication enables the faster data transfer rates, facilitating the various applications to support the high quality video streaming and faster downloads and smoother inline experience. In the industry sector, this is used for improve the real-time communication and seamless collaboration and enhance the performance of data intensive tasks. High bandwidth is crucial for emerging technologies like 5G, enabling the Internet of Things and other innovative applications. Now let me discuss about the long distance communication. It minimal signals loss over a long distances, facilitate the global communication network including the undersea cables. Coming to the next point, in the fiber optical communication, it includes transmitter, optical fiber, receiver. In the transmitter, it converts the electric signal into the optical signal, and in optical fiber, it converts and transmits the light signal over a long distance. In receivers, it converts the optical signal back into the electric signal. Now let me discuss about fiber types like single mode fiber, multi-mode fiber. A single mode fiber is used for the long distance communication and multi-mode fiber is suited for a shorter distance within a building. A example for the single mode fiber are like signals such as cable TV, internet and telephones are generally carried by a signal mode fiber which is wrapped together into the huge bundle. An example for the multi-mode fiber is like many lights are generated by the LED travels at the different angles. The other applications of the optical fiber in telecommunication is fiber to home. Bringing a high-speed internet directly to the residents using the optical fiber connection. And 5G optical fiber is an integral for the development of 5G networks, providing the necessary speed and capacity. These are highly frequency or operable for the short distance range. However, to support the data transfer, these networks require several small cells covering the small. Optical amplifier is one of the components of telecommunication. It boosts the signal strength without converting into electric signal. Such amplifiers are often used in a telecommunication system in the form of fiber components and operating at the signal wavelength between 850 nanometer to 160 nanometer and generating up to 30 decibels. Its benefits are expanding the bandwidth and capabilities and enabling the high speed and long distance transmission. Now, let me discuss about advantages and the disadvantages of optical fiber in telecommunication. The data density per optical fiber is much greater than traditional conductor transmission and has more data packets. It has a high-speed data transmission, data security, and data reliability. The optical fiber cables have higher bandwidth than the copper conductor cables. Now let me discuss about disadvantages of optical fibers in telecommunication. The cost to produce the optical fiber cabling is higher than that of the copper. Installation is more than the expensive as a special test equipment usually required. Coming to the we discuss about applications of the optical fiber in celestial bodies. A celestial body is a natural object outside the Earth atmosphere like moon, sun and other planets of our solar system. The optical fibers could be used in a space explosion to transmit the data between spacecrafts and ground station, enabling the faster and more communication over a long distance. They offer advantages like high bandwidth, immunity to electromagnetic interference, making them suitable for transmitting a critical information from celestial bodies. Now, let me discuss about how optical fibers are used in an space. Optical fibers are used to monitor the various parameters such as temperature, pressure, chemical composition in an spacecraft and extraterrestrial environment. This data is for decision making and ensuring the safety and effectiveness of space mission. Now let me understand about optical fibers in telescope. Integration of optical fiber in a space telescope for enhancing the data collection, real-time streaming of high-resolution images and astronomical data. Now, let us know about the advantages and the disadvantages of the optical fiber in the field of celestial bodies. A fiber optics offer a reliability in the harsh condition of the space, being immune to the electromagnetic interference and the resistance to the corrosion. And it will also reduces the weight and the size of fiber optical cables, enabling the more payload capacity on the spacecraft. The optical fiber it helps in an satellite communication, remote sensing, high power, laser system, multispectral and the hyperspectral imaging and optical data transfer and atmospheric monitoring and other space applications rely on the optical fibers to function. The disadvantages are like they can experience the some signal loss. It is an expensive as it requires the some equipment. Installation of the optical fiber may be a complex and costly. Limiting availability is found in an remote area. And finally, the conclusion in an optical fiber technology have greatly impacted the world in many ways, providing the faster internet speed, improve the communication and advancement in the various fields such as medicine industries and research. The benefits of fiber optic internet and the cables are clear. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe.